Hello! Do you know what thermos cooking means? Keep watching to find out. Thermos cooking is the backbone of my daily food routine. Almost every day I look forward to and enjoy a warm Backcountry staples breakfast prepared using a food thermos. While our breakfast can be prepared a variety of other ways, including the stove and microwave, thermos cooking is by far my favorite. Why? 3 reasons. Number 1, simplicity. Thermos cooking only requires a food thermos, a compatible meal or recipe, and boiling water. Number 2, efficiency. Less dishes make me happy. I love that food thermoses function as both a cooking vessel and a container to eat out of. And number 3, versatility. A food thermos can go anywhere. It's durable, leak-proof, and stylish. Those are the features I love about thermos cooking. But its main benefit to my life is increased freedom. It allows me to easily enjoy a warm, healthy meal anywhere. I rely on thermos cooking in the backcountry, in the city, traveling overseas, and everywhere in between. Let's review what's needed for thermos cooking. An insulated food thermos, our pick is Clean Canteen's 16-ounce version. A thermos cooking compatible meal. Some words of caution that not all quick cooking meals work well with thermos cooking. Some become overly mushy, while others don't cook at all. Rest assured that we've created Backcountry staples with thermos cooking in mind. And lastly, boiling water. If you're traveling, coffee shops and gas stations are usually a reliable source. I now want to demonstrate the 6-step thermos cooking process. Step 1, add the meal to your food thermos. Step 2, pour in the recommended amount of boiling water. Step 3, stir everything together. Step 4, screw the lid on to seal the food thermos. Step 5, let the meal cook in the food thermos for the minimum amount of recommended time. And step 6, enjoy your meal anytime up to a few hours after making it. How can you envision utilizing thermos cooking in your life? Do you think it would be liberating as it has been for me? Also, please check out our complete breakfast starter kit, which includes 4 oatmeal breakfasts, 4 buckwheat breakfasts, and a thermos cooking kit. Thank you for watching and happy adventures!